Yeah, welcome to FX calculation room. Uh, Here we are just going to review the book that is just going to teach us some trading. So at least I know there is so many people like to read, and others don't like to read. But there's so people who they need a video to see like the way we are reading. So today we are going to review this book. We are going to read together of this book, but you can just take notes on your own and you can just review. And also make sure you watch this video up to the end. Make sure you subscribe, to hit that like button. I'll be reviewing these books or more and more. And also, if you're interested with any of the book I started reviewing from now, you just comment there and I will put my contact in description, or sometimes also you can just join my channel link on description so as you can understand each and everything. But if you need the book, also you can get the book so as you can read this book well and teach yourself all about trading. So this is how we start. Hello, welcome to the world of trading. This book is written to teach you step by step the most effective strategy I have ever tried. In the book you will learn the following approaches: MSNR, Malaysian support and resistance. This is the meaning. And also SMC is or I think there's so many people understand about this. Liquidity also will be there, and ICT also will be inside. And also we will just combine QT and smart MT. So this is all the things that you are just going to learn. So make sure you watch this video to the end so as you can understand each and every point together. So let's just continue. The first thing we are just going to see here: intelligence strategy. What we are going to read inside. What will learn inside here. In this book you will learn the most essential approaches to understand the market and take profitable trades. Each strategy teaches you only the parts you need, without unnecessary theory or distracting information. Okay, so MSNR is equal to entry system. So the goal: finding the most reliable entry point. This model teach you how to take only high quality and safe entries while minimizing mistakes. Clear entries, minimal risk, maximum risk to reward. And also SMC, market structure. Goal is to read market structure correctly. You will learn to identify trend, reversals, and continuation scenarios in advance. Confidence in knowing which direction to trade. Lead with liquidity inducement. Goal: identify liquidity traps. You will learn to avoid for falling for market makers, manipulation, and stop loss hands. Your stop losses will no longer be an easy target. And also ICT kill zone. The goal is choosing the optimal time optimal time to enter the market. You will learn which session and times are the most effective for trading. Right timing plus right entry is equal to high win rate. QT plus SMT, direction and confirmation. The goal is just inside here is to um, making decision based on the bigger picture. Quaternary theory helps you to identify market direction, while SMT gives you high probability confirmation. You take trade only with the strongest setup and signal. So this is all the things that you are going to learn in this book. So once we come to MSNR, we come with these terminologies here: open, high, low, close, price story. This is the price story. O is just for open, H is for high, L is for low, and this C is for close. H like that, price story. So the price story is, how do we say that price always represent for shit. Okay, open. So O is open, opening price. H is high, highest point. L is low, lowest point. C is close, closing price. These points show you how who was in control during the period, and high or and low show how far buyers and sellers pushes the price. Close show who won the at the end of the period. As you see, these candles here, as you see these candles here, bearish candle, this is the bearish candle. The bearish candle shows high. This is the this high, the wick, so the high, open price, closing price, low. So the market open here, goes high, and then dropped down low, then come and closes at this point. As you can see, these examples here. And when you come to let me so when we come to connection to SNR support and resistance, support usually forms near the previous low and resistance near the previous high. That's why when drawing as support and resistance SNR, we pay attention to open, high, low, close. This way. So this one is bullish candle example, as you see. So this is how we give we have been given the example and the conclusion. So OHLC is the key to reading the market. Once you understand it, you can mark support and resistance zones more accurately. I think that you understand that. So let's just go to this an example here. As you see how everything is just seen here. Now let's just dive deeper into MSNR key levels. The key level they support resistance support, also here resistance blocks support, support block resistance, and then open close and Quasimodo. So resistance. So the resistance, as you see this, maybe this is the candle, and the market can push it down, and then it just closes the high on this and this one. You see here all these details. So the E up here, at the way the example is the resistance, and the line chart also. When it is line chart is like this one. Once it comes as support, it's the down in down in the bottom, as you see here on line chart. Also you see here to mark a support and resistance. So once maybe you come to the second one, RBS is the if you see how this you can just mark it, how this candle pushes above, and then you can just mark the RBS. So this is how you mark it. When it is just on line chart, you mark it like this one, as you see, like a break of structure, like a break of structure. So when maybe it is SBR, also you see SBR how it is, and you can just see it how it just looks on chart. Also line chart, also bearish OCL is also seen like the way you see on the example. When you come down a bearish Quasimodo, this is how it just looks like. Line chart also it looks like this way. Bullish Quasimodo also is just like the way you see it in the example here. Okay, so when you're interested with this book, don't worry about it. Just contact me and you'll get the book. You will get the book. You will get the book and you will learn it. You will learn on your own and take note and just go and practice. So when we come to MSNR training, so the market moves are never random. They go in certain direction. Trend line in is one of the best. Trend line is the one of the trend line is one of the main tool to use at that moment and trade with it. This part will teach you how to spot the price direction, how to find good entries and match the trend, how you can catch a earlier entry reversal. Now let's look together at how to draw trend line and how to use it. So bearish trend line, this is the bearish trend line. You see how the market moves. This is the first one. It goes, yeah, it comes to 1 2 1 2 3, and the market drops with this one, the triple top, and the way it is just moving like this one. I think you can see on your own. Another video we can just explain much, but today, because we are reading, we are just looking for example, and reading this book, bullish trend line. A bullish trend line also, it is like the way you see it, how to draw it, trend line. And when you come so now, or maybe on MSNR, or an example on gold, 15 minutes, you can just see like this one. You can see it like this way, how the market comes and then comes this area here, and then boom, it goes directly. Also, second one, when you come to candlesticks, you find it like this one, first touch, second touch, and then this is how it is. So as you can see, this one is online chart, and this way is on candlestick. On the way market comes here and touches this line here and goes more bullish. And the second one is just this one, how the market moves. The market moves this way and then leave all this like the way you see it. And when you come to here, it's the answer here is the re-entry. So see, one, two, then re-entry again here. The market go and started to go more up. And the one said another one here, it just one inside, one, two, then the market comes down, and here is the way it just happened. Okay, this is the examples. Another example is this one. The market touches 2 points and then goes, and when you come to here, this area here, it touches and just started to go up. So the MMSNR section summary, it is like this. Now you have learned how to correctly identify the key zone of the market. Next step, using this MSNR zone to understand which direction to trade and when to enter. You will study this in deep in the SMC market structure times liquidity inducement section. So once you come here, we have done with this number one MSR key level for today. So in the next video, I will just show you the SMC market structure. Then the second or the third video show you the liquidity inducement, and the fourth one, I will just show you ICT kill zone, and then I will show you QT SMT flat direction on how. So the book is available, so make sure you comment in the comment section, which part do you really like most of the time, and also make sure you subscribe the channel, and also go to description. I will send you a book. Just contact me and then I will send you a book. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Where we are going to learn SMC market structure, and all these are combined in one book, like that. So thank you for watching for today. Goodbye, and let's meet on the next video.